Good afternoon, madam. I'm Subhra. I'm studying in 9th class section. In this part of science fair, I want to explain about human digestive system. Human digestive system, nothing but it is a long process which involves number of steps. There are many parts involved in our digestive system. There are alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, nothing but the long tube which connects from mouth to anus is called alimentary canal. Before going to topic, we will know parts of in our digestive system. This is our human body digestive system. In this digestive system, there are many parts involved. They are food pipe. Food pipe also known as esophagus, liver, stomach, duodenum, large intestine, small intestine, anus. These are the parts involved in our digestive system. Let's we know process of digestive system. First we start from mouth. The food taken by mouth with the help of tongue. The food mixed with saliva secreted by salivary glands. Then the food churned by our teeth. That process is called mastication. Then the food enters into esophagus. Esophagus also known as food pipe, where some amount of food already digested through the process of esophagus. Then that enters into stomach. Here we find hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid helps to kill the bacteria in food. Then the food enters into duodenum. Duodenum nothing but the proximal part of intestine. Here liver and pancreas release juice. That juices synthesize carbohydrates, proteins, lipids with the help of fatty acid. Then the food enters into small intestine. Here the much of food digested. Then the food enters into large intestine. The remaining undigested food enters into large intestine, where some amount of water reabsorbed. Then the food enters lastly to anus. With anus, the waste food comes out. This process is done in our digestive system. Thank you.
Good morning, madam. In the part of science fair, I will say about reduce, reuse, and recycle of the plastic. In our day-to-day life, we are using so much of plastic. Plastic is not biodegradable. This is a reduce. This is reuse, recycle. In reduce, when possible, reduce or don't use resources you don't need. Instead of the plastic papers, you use to plastic. Plants make the food we eat, and the oxygen we breathe. Other animals get their food from plants too. Just like us, plants need energy to grow, but unlike us, they can make their own energy. Plants use process called photosynthesis to make food. Energy from sunlight, water, and air. Because photosynthesis supports most of the life on Earth. Photosynthesis is how plant and some microorganisms make substances like carbohydrates. It is an endothermic chemical process that uses sunlight to turn the carbon dioxide into sugars. In animal cells, there are cell membrane, mitochondria, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, Golgi apparatus. Cell membrane is the outermost layer of the cell. Cell membrane plays an important role in maintaining this balance. Like cytoplasm, jelly substance transfer the material of cell organelle. This is called cytoplasm. Next, mitochondria. Mitochondria is a powerhouse of the cell. Powerhouse of a cell responsible for cellular respiration. Next, Pujita is telling.
The nucleus regulates the functions of the cell and determines the characteristics of all, and it consists of all genetic information. And nucleus is mainly nucleus closely involved in cell division and endoplasmic reticulum. There are two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi apparatus. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected madam. I am Pratibha from 9th class. As a part of science fair, I would like to say working model of respiratory system. When air we take from nostrils and nasal cavity enters into the pharynx and larynx, alveolus. Here the exchange of the gas takes place by continuous contraction and relaxation of ribs. Lungs absorbing O2 and releasing CO2. Let us see working model of respiratory system. This is the working of respiratory system. Thank you, madam, for this opportunity.
Good afternoon to everyone. This is Divya Lakshmi from 8th class A section. In the part of science fair, I want to show you the working model of Earth cell. The earthquake occurs all the time all over the earth. They are not even noticed. Major earthquakes are much less frequent. They can cause immense damage to dams, bridges, buildings and people. Tremors are caused due to the disturbance at the deep down inside portion of uppermost layer of the earth. This uppermost layer of the earth is called as crust. The outermost layer of the earth is not in one piece, it is fragmented. Each fragment is called as plates. These plates are in continuous motion. Since earthquake is caused, the plates are in continuous motion. When they brush past on one another, or a plate goes under another plate, they can cause earthquake.
Good afternoon, madam. Sewage water treatment. The pound using the sewage of the whole city district. Good afternoon, madam. This is sewage water treatment. In the sewage water treatment, there are 7 chambers: receiving chamber, screening and grid chamber, skimming chamber, primary sedimentation tank, aeration tank, filtration tank, and distribution tank. The pound using the sewage of the whole city will be collected and sent to the receiving chamber. Here the process gets started. Receiving chamber will collect water. In screening and grid chamber, we will separate leaves and branches. In skimming tank, we'll separate oil and grease. In a primary sedimentation tank, the unsettled particles are settled. In aeration tank, the water are filtered. In filtration tank, the germs are killed. In distribution tank, the water will be distributed. Thank you.